Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to export from Jira in 2025. If you're a project manager, developer, or anyone dealing with Jira's powerful tools, exporting data can help you analyze issues, share reports, or even migrate information to other platforms. It's a game changer for keeping your workflows smooth and efficient. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Jira account. If you're using the cloud version, head over to the Jira website and sign in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the project or board you want to export from. For example, if you're working with issues, click on Issues in the top menu and select the filter or search for the ones you need. Now, here's where the magic happens. Look for the Export button. It's usually in the top right corner of the page or under the More menu. Click on it, and you'll see options like exporting to CSV, Excel, or even PDF. Choose the format that best suits your needs. For instance, CSV is great for data analysis in tools like Google Sheets. Before you hit export, take a second to customize it. Jira lets you select specific fields, like summary, status, or assignee, so you're not exporting unnecessary data. This keeps your file clean and manageable. Once you're ready, click Export and download the file to your computer. Easy peasy. A quick tip: if you're dealing with large datasets, double-check your permissions first. Some exports might require admin access. Also, in 2025, Jira has updated its interface for better mobile compatibility, so you can even export on the go. And there you have it. Exporting from Jira is straightforward and can save you tons of time. If you run into any issues, check Jira's official help docs or drop a comment below. We're here to help. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button if this was useful, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next video.